Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to start learning about electrostatics. In electrostatics everything starts with understanding how the charges are going to interact. This interaction is explained using Coulomb's law, and when there are more than two charges involved we are going to use this principle of superposition. Now let us start by understanding what exactly is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law tells us that the force between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and is inversely proportional to the distance between them. Mathematically, F equals to K times of Q1 into Q2 upon R square. If the charges are like charges, the force is going to be repulsive force. If the charges are unlike, the force is going to be attractive force. And remember, this force always acts along the line joining the two charges. Now, understanding the superposition principle. Coming to the most important perspective of JEE, that is the superposition. When the multiple charges are present, the net force on any charge is simply the vector sum of the forces due to each other on the individual charge. Now, this literally means you can calculate the force due to the charge at a time and then add them using the vector addition process. Not directly by magnitude, we have to use the vector addition process only. Most JEE questions test our understanding about the direction, symmetry and vector addition and not just the formula. One small sign mistake can change the entire flow of the answer. Now pause the screen and solve this JEE question present on the screen using Coulomb's law and superposition principle. Drop your answers in the comments, like this video, share it with your JEE classmates and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more physics related content. See you in the next one.